Has a great Labor Day. That's the Pileated. Woody Woodpecker said hello, folks. Thanks, Greg. When I first moved here, I never saw those big birds. I call them the pterodactyl. There's a lot of pterodactyls here, especially when they fly over you at night and block out the moon, and it makes them look 10 times larger. Those things can be scary. You missed the Jerry Lewis telephone. Those were the days, right? And good old Ed McMahon. He's eating good over there this morning. Again, the guy that did Woody Woodpecker, him and his wife were on their honeymoon. A woodpecker kept him up. He wanted to grab his gun to shoot it, and she said, do a cartoon about it instead. And so he obviously researched the Pileated woodpecker.